Hi everyone, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And guess what time it is? It's time for the Sew Sampler December 2024. Find out how you can organize smarter with this box. I hope you'll join me. I'm so excited that you decided to join me for this unboxing of the December 2024 Sew Sampler box. And look, you guys, they didn't put the label on the front of the box. Oh, they put it on the underside. See? That's where it should go. These boxes are so beautiful, aren't they? I hope you guys are having an awesome holiday season. I know this week we just celebrated Christmas and now we're in the days of Hanukkah and Kwanzaa. And just before you know it, it's gonna be the New Year's. I'm just so very grateful that you decided to share time with me watching my video content. It means the world to me. This channel has been growing. I had a really big spike with the 24 boxes in 2 years of Sew Sampler, and I'm so excited because I'm still working on the fan favorites of that box. I'm gonna do that earlier in the year. Hang on for that. I've been doing a lot of video shorts, giving you guys creative ideas on how to use the 3D printer and how to use your embroidery machine to create cute things like this bird with the candy cane. This is an OESD download that you can get from their website for embroidery. I actually have one queued up here on my machine right now. It's a little bit different than that one, but it's just as cute. I do hope you guys were able to see my special holiday edition where I unboxed the Bernina holiday box. I want to thank my friends at Bigsby Sewing Center for letting me borrow that box just so I could share it with you. This is a specialty box that is for a Bernina lover, and if you're still looking for a last minute gift or something that gives into the Valentine's period, please contact my friends at Bigsby's Sewing Center. I'll have the information in the description below. It's a perfect gift for any Bernina lover. And with that being said, let's go and start unboxing the Sew Sampler box by Fat Quarter Shop, December 2024. And the theme for this month is Flurries of Fun. Interesting. Our friends at Fat Quarter Shop live near Austin, Texas, and I don't think they get any flurries. So maybe it would be fun for them if they did. You guys, you know that I pay for all my boxes with my own money. This isn't a sponsored video, and this is just sharing my favorite box with you all. Every single box, we do get a special promotion, and I will cover the codes because they are only for people that subscribe to Sew Sampler. We get a pair of socks if we make a $60 order or more, and there's also a free quilt pattern that's an alternate to the special fabric that's in this box that you'll find out soon. These boxes are $29 plus tax and shipping. Mine comes to about $36, and I'll tell you what the value of this month's box is at the end. So let's go for the first item, you guys. Aqua Pattern Holder by Purple Hobbies. A Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. This adorable aqua gadget is a real stand-up character. Purple Hobbies pattern holder keeps your patterns upright, freeing up your workspace and keeping your pattern in plain sight. In an exclusive aqua color for Fat Quarter Shop, the weighted base means it won't tip over and it can handle up to 14 pages. It's your trusty sidekick for those marathon winter sewing sessions. A value of $11.98. Let's look at it, shall we? Oh, okay, that's kind of cute. It is Fat Quarter Shop color. And if we had a pattern in here, which I do, but I haven't shared it with you guys yet, it would stand up like this. Yay! That's really handy. This is a cute little gadget, but this isn't the key product that will help you organize smarter. But you know what? I think it might. So the next item in this box is a Cute Cuts cutting mat. Ooh! Doesn't smell good. But it's super cute. It's got a red side and a green side. Lori Holt Cute Cuts 5x8 Alpine Schoolhouse Reversible Cutting Mat by Bee in My Bonnet. This adorable little cutting mat by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet Co. is the new little helper at sewing retreats, or pop it up to your sewing machine for speedy snips and trims. It's reversible with green and red Alpine Schoolhouse colors to sprinkle some wintry charm in your sewing room. This definitely will be really handy for retreats, there's no doubt about it. And it's always nice to have a little cutting mat next to your sewing machine. We often have our cutting mats away from where we sew. So imagine if you had a place right over here that you could put it and do a little bit of cutting here as well, just because maybe you need to trim off some of those little dog ears on your half square triangles, and it just makes it easier, and everything is right here. So I can see where this is a really good value. And once again, it'll help you organize smarter. How cool is that? Organizing our sewing space is just as important as organizing our stash. And I have to say, this month's box is all about organizing our sewing space. Okay, the next item in this box is what I was referring to as the way to organize smarter. But we're finding that everything in this box carries that theme. And this is cool because it is a June Taylor Quilt As You Go project. In this season of gathering with friends and family, stay stitch ready wherever you are with this 14-inch Quilt As You Go project bag from June Taylor. With its spacious square size, see-through front, and stylish design, you can add your personal flair. This kit includes printed sew on the line stabilizer, vinyl, and zipper to help you complete the whole project. It's a value of $9.98. What I love about this is that Quilt As You Go products are super easy to use, and these are fat quarter friendly, which are some things in this box, and it comes with everything. If you're not familiar with June Taylor kits, they always include everything. You've got this beautiful zippity-doo-dah done zipper, as they call it, and you also do have a sheet of vinyl in here because this is a project bag where you can see your contents, and then you have your special printed stabilizer that you just follow as you go. $9.98 is a really good value for something that will make a beautiful project bag. And so I use project bags all the time. If I'm going on the go, the last time I was at Bigsby's, I actually brought one of my projects to work on the 990 to do a quilting in a hoop on one of these table runners that I did a while ago. So this is a Tula Pink project bag. I absolutely love her bag. She has some fun ones, and this was the dinosaur print that I just think is so cute. And so they're big enough to hold the projects that you're working on, and it protects them. Instead of using like a grocery bag or a tote, you have a special place where you can protect your projects. And you can see this is a table runner I was working on and doing a quilting in the hoop, and that's why I have it together in this bag. So then I know it's there and it's ready for me to work on when I'm ready to go. Project bags are great because they keep your projects out of the elements, so that way you don't have to worry about it getting wet. The Quilt As You Go product here does have a vinyl front, but it is going to be a fabric back on it. But still, it's better than not having any protection at all while you carry your project around. And if you don't get the Sew Sampler box, go ahead and check out the June Taylor website. Their Quilt As You Go projects are so simple, and they'll make it so easy for you to create a simple bag. And so check it out. I'm so excited that this was in the box. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for always being so thoughtful in the way you curate these boxes. Okay, so you know the next items that are coming up are patterns and the fabric. And of course, what would this box be without the block of the month? Peaceful Baskets Quilt Along block number 9. Feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on the Peaceful Baskets quilt. The sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Basket quilt patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop. It's a value of $4.98. Ooh, the next item is the actual pattern that's exclusive to the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler boxes. You cannot buy this on the website. You only get these in the boxes. Snowdrift Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. Inspired by snowflakes twirling to the ground, the Snowdrift Quilt by Fat Quarter Shop is a delightful sight. This Fat Quarter friendly design shows off intricate lace-like designs that form dazzling pinwheels among vibrant snowflakes. Craft this frosty wonder with the Fat Quarter bundle from this month's box. Limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop, a value of $9.98. And it always shares with you on the back what you're going to need for backing, binding, and background fabric. And the last item in this box is the fabric. How exciting! Snowdrift Rosemary Cottage Fat Quarter Bundle. Remnants in the Bliss with Rosemary Cottage by Camille Ross Kelly for Moda Fabrics. This charming fabric line blends vintage and classic pieces in a delightful blues, linens, soft pinks, and greens that feel cozy and warm. The 6-piece Fat Quarter Bundle offers a taste of these nostalgic hues and prints. Perfect for daydreaming about cozy coastal cottages and refreshing sea breezes. Wow. Okay. I am not a Camille Kelly fan either, but you know what? These are beautiful fabrics. And as I do in all of my videos, I'm going to share with you the actual prints. Okay, wasn't that awesome? Really like the way the colors in these bundles go together. So even though this isn't my design, this is definitely my color, which is what I like. I do like the tulips. I think that's kind of cute too. I do want to say, you guys, I know some of you are still watching my 24 boxes in 2 years video. I still get comments that people wish I would slow down and show the fabric. I do want to say that I take a lot of pride in my video creation and how I produce these videos. And the idea that you can get this from Fat Quarter Shop, I have no problem showing this fabric to y'all in my videos, because I do know there's nothing more frustrating than seeing a pattern that you like and you can't get it anymore. Every now and then you'll be able to find something on Etsy. If you wanted to go to your local fabric store, any of those items in those boxes that span between 2019 and 2022, none of those collections will be available in the stores. The reason why I didn't show the fabric off is I didn't want to show you something that you couldn't get. It really is important to me that I share stuff with you that you can actually purchase, because I'm here to inspire. And if I show you something, I want to make sure that you can get it. And I know you guys understand, and I would have loved to have shown you all the fabric in that box. It was absolutely unbelievable what 24 Sew Sampler boxes can give you in fabric. And that's why, if you really like what you saw today, remember, if you want to get one of these boxes for yourself, just visit Fat Quarter Shop, go to Sew Sampler and reserve a box. It takes about a month for them to get back to you. But after that, you'll be signed up and you can get the boxes just like me and so many other people that love these boxes. They're such a great value. And speaking of value, the value of this box was $73. I paid $36 plus tax and shipping. Isn't that amazing? So what do you guys think? Do you think this box is full of flurries and fun? I do have to say this box does help you get organized smarter, and then it gives you some really cool fabric. I do like this pattern stand. I think this will be very handy. Also, the Quilt As You Go project bag. We all need project bags. We can never have enough of them. And the idea that you can actually make one for yourself is nothing better. And then you can use the fabric, Fat Quarters, in here. If you don't want to make the quilt, you can use that fabric for this June Taylor pattern. It's really cool. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. This has been an awesome month again, and the last box of 2024. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining me on the unboxing of the Sew Sampler box, December 2024. Remember, if you want to keep up to date with what's going on with the Quilting Camper, check out my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have noticed that only about 6 to 8% of total views are actually subscribers. I would love to have you a part of this community of sharing creativity and kindness, and also give me a thumbs up if you like what you saw today. And not only that, I have re-enlisted my TikTok channel. So any of the video shorts that I have done for YouTube, you will be able to see on my TikTok channel as well. On that note, it has been an awesome 2024. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me. It's unbelievable that we were able to achieve 1,000 subscribers in a couple months. That totally warms my heart, and I'm ever so grateful to have you a part of this community. We do need to continue to grow the channel, so make sure you continue to share my content. Let everybody know the Quilting Camper is a thing. And remember, especially during this holiday season, make sure that you let people know that you care about them. Let them know how important they are to you. When it's darker outside and getting through the hustle and bustle of the holidays can create a lot of anxiety. Sharing kindness through creativity and through the kindness of your heart is so important. And I love you guys for believing in that message. This is the time of the year where that makes a huge difference. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Thank you. Fat Quarter Shop, for being so. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for always being so. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for always. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. Hi. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for always being so. Oh my gosh. The next item in the box is the Peaceful Bass. The Peaceful Bass. Like, that's like my fishing kits. So we got Peaceful Bass and fishing kits. Peaceful Bass. You guys, I don't fish. I may go camping, but I don't fish. I don't know where all these fish references are coming from. So the last item in this box is the piece de resistance. Hey everyone, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel. YouTube. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.